Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson in Congruent Triangle. Today we're going to focus on corresponding parts. So let's take a look at this triangle ABC, and another triangle DEF. Now the key point about here is to identify the sides and find the corresponding side in the other triangle. We're going to start with this basic one. Now looking at this question, we have question 1, side AB. As you can see, this is side AB. So which side in the other triangle is corresponding and is congruent to that triangle? We can assume it will be side DE. The next is side BC. This is BC. Now, which side of the other triangle is corresponding to this triangle? Side BC. That will be side EF. And again, the third side, triangle AC. That is this side, triangle AC. Which side of the other triangle is corresponding to the side AC? And that will be DF. Pay attention to the way I label the letters. The letters must correspond as well. Now take a look at question 4. Angle A. Which side is corresponding with angle A? That is which angle actually is corresponding with angle A? That would be angle D. And angle B. Which angle is corresponding to angle B? That would be angle E. And look at angle C. Which angle is corresponding with angle C? That would be angle F. So therefore we could say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Taking a look at these two triangles now, they are slantingly marked. These markings try to tell you which side corresponds with the other side of the triangles of right there. So take a look at this. This is one slash, and if you look at here, there is another one slash here. There are two slashes here, and if you take a look at this triangle, there are two slashes here. If you look at this too, it has three slashes, and take a look at this one, it has three slashes. This tries to tell you which sides are corresponding, which sides are congruent. So let's ask ourselves this question: side AB, it has one slash. Which side of the other triangle is corresponding with side AB? That will be side DE. Next question, side BC. Take a look at side BC. How many slashes does it have? It has two slashes. We need to find the other side of the other triangle that has two slashes, and here it is, EF. So we'll say side BC is congruent to side EF. And the third side, it has three slashes here. So we have side AC. We need to find the other side in the other triangle that has three slashes as well, which is side DF. So we can say side AC is congruent to side DF. So therefore, we could say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. And if you notice, these three sides are all corresponding, are all congruent to the other sides of the other triangle. So we can as well say side. That means SSS is the postulate for these congruent triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. That is a way to prove that they are congruent. The next one, let's take a look at these two triangles again. If you notice, we have an angle here and two sides. And you notice the angle is right in the middle of two sides. What does this mean? So we're going to say side AB. It has one slash, so we need to find the other congruent side that has the same slash too. So we'll say side DE. Now the second one is the angle. Like I said, the angle is right between two sides. This is considered as an included angle because it's right between two sides. So which angle is congruent to side angle A? Of course, the marking tells it all. Angle D. And the third part. The third side is AC. AC has two slashes on it. So we'll say side DF is congruent to side AC and vice versa. So look at this. Three proofs that these two triangles are congruent. So we have S. So we can actually say angle A and angle D are congruent, are included angles. Why? Because they're right between two sides. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Using the postulate S, which is side, angle A, and side S again, SAS. That means side, angle, side. This is a postulate to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now take a look at this one. We have two angles specified that they are congruent to the other angles in the other triangles, and we have one side. So let's go. Angle A, here it is, it has one slash. Which angle is congruent to angle A in the other triangle? Of course, angle D. And take a look. We have a side right between two angles. This tells you that this side is an included side, because an included side means it's right between, is between two angles. So which side is congruent to side AB in the other triangle? That would be side DE. And angle B, it has two slashes, let's mark it on it. Which angle is congruent to angle B? That will be angle E. So, therefore, we can say angle side AB, which is congruent to side DE, is called an included angle. Included side, sorry, because it's right between two angles. So we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, following the postulate angle, side, angle. Now, let's try another question here. Do you know you don't really need to have the drawing to even identify the corresponding sides? You can use the labels, the letters. For example, triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle KLM. You need to be very careful when naming the sides and angle. Look at it. X is first in the first triangle. K is first in the second triangle. That means X and K are corresponding. They are corresponding points. Y is in the middle and L is in the middle here. So Y and L are corresponding, as well as Z here and M. So if we were to ask the question, what is the corresponding angle to angle Y? What do you think would be the answer? Y is right in the middle. And hey, what's in the middle here? L. Did you get that? If you didn't, don't worry, you try again. Angle X is congruent to what angle here? Angle is first here. The angle X is the first. And if you look at the other triangle, what's the first one here? K. So angle X is congruent to angle K. And angle Z or angle Z is congruent to what? Angle M. We could try with lines too. Line XY. XY. What is congruent to line XY? Is congruent to side KL. So, and here too, side YZ is congruent to what side? YZ L M. Side XZ. What is congruent to side XZ? This is the first one, and this is the last one. it will go the same here too. First and the last, that will be km. All right. So for more of this lesson, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. See ya. Bye.